Now that the simulation ran successfully, we'll go under Results and right-click on Field Probe 1. We're going to select Compute Field Statistics, and here we need to select our source file, which is pre-selected, planewave.dat, and click Open. Then we need to select the directions for the vectors that we want to analyze along. And here we will keep all of them checked. Say OK. So if we go now under Results, we'll find Field Statistics 1, which is the field averages, and then shading effectiveness. And under 2D plots, we have these auto-generated plots, the E-field averages, and shading effectiveness. And to view them, right-click here and click Show. And here we have our results. If we want to adjust the plot, right-click, select Configure, Chart, then we have the different parameters that we can adjust. Here we can view our shading effectiveness, and we have the same options here. And this concludes the shading effectiveness of a box demo. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.